Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Max Wellness. As I always say, our aim at Max Wellness is to help you maximize your wellness one video at a time. In today's episode, we're going to show you the benefit of drinking olive oil or 1 tablespoon of olive oil mixed with lemon every morning. What do you gain from it? This is something that you can find at home. So if you don't know, please watch this. So I have in my hand an extra virgin olive oil, and also I have my lemon, and I'm going to show you how to prepare this and drink every morning on an empty stomach and get the full benefit. And I'm going to go through system by system what you gain from doing that. So let's go ahead and watch this. So let's talk about the benefit of taking in olive oil daily. A lot of people know that olive oil is good for you and it's good for your body or your heart, but people from North Africa and then a Mediterranean has a higher life expectancy and a lower risk of having high blood pressure, having stroke and diabetes because they consume a lot of olive or olive oil. This is not a coincidence because, as I said before, they consume a lot of olives or olive oil in their daily diet. Some of these countries are Italy, Algeria, Spain, Tunisia, and Morocco. So the 2 ingredients that I showed you have a lot of health benefits on their own. That is lemon and olive oil. But when put together, they both give a maximum benefit to the body. It ranges from lubricating the body or the gastric mucosa to cleansing your colon, your liver, and improving the functions of your liver and gallbladder. Lemon and olives mixed together is a major source of antioxidant and an excellent source of detox for the body. So to get the most benefit, it has to be taken early morning on an empty stomach to maximize its efficacy. Now, let's talk about the major benefit your body gets or your heart gets from drinking this liquid gold daily. Olive oil is known to contribute to the improvement of the work of the cardiovascular system. It is known to lower the bad cholesterol, that's the LDL, from oxidation. It also helps reduce symptoms such as swelling of the body, which is caused by inflammation, headaches, and finally, bad breath. The second benefit that we can talk about today is a liver cleanser. So a combination of lemon juice and olive oil is a good source of liver cleanser for the body. The feelings of fatigue, sluggishness, and joint weakness is an indication of excess toxins in the body, and it's a good time for this cleanser. The next benefit we're going to talk about that we get from drinking lemon mixed with olive oil is improvement of brain function. Some studies suggest that the consumption of olive oil mixed with lemon juice help improve cognitive functions and reduce the risk of getting neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. The next benefit that we're going to talk about is that the consumption of olive oil and lemon boosts brain functions and protects brain cell health. Olive oil contains a substance that helps reduce or remove the formation of plaques in the brain that causes Alzheimer's. The next benefit that we're going to talk about is digestive health. Improves gut motility and supports the growth of healthy bacteria, which helps stimulate metabolism and also an excellent relief from constipation. And it also helps in breaking down the fat that causes weight gain and reduce the risk of obesity. Very important. The next benefit that we're going to talk about today is aiding in weight loss. Consuming olive oil mixed with lemon juice every morning as part of a healthy diet has been shown to aid in a healthy weight loss. Finally, let's talk about how to take your liquid gold, that is the olive oil mixed with lemon juice, daily. It is always recommended to take 1 tablespoon 30 minutes before you resume your regular diet on an empty stomach every morning. This will help maximize its benefit, but for those of us who love to eat salad on a regular basis, You can even turn it into a salad dressing. Let's see how. As we always say, enjoy. So unlike most wellness advice that we give on this channel, there is no set amount of times that you can drink your lemon with olive oil. You can drink it every day or every morning on an empty stomach, or you can add it to your salad dressing or make it into a salad dressing and add it to your salad. Thanks for watching another episode of Max Wellness. Our aim is only to help you maximize your wellness one video at a time. Please subscribe, comment, share, and put us on post notification for more wellness videos like this. Thank you.